They are watch a thing, you know, people. Yeah, man, they are watch a thing. See it on the point of Jamaica there. Yeah, man. Right on the point, you know. So, you officially start touch the island, you know, this morning at Saturday morning. But however, in a watch race here, me there, Senton. Right now, it not so bad yet. We actually have no wind for now. Only now and then little breeze blow and rain on and off, but the whole place dark up. Yeah, so this is how it look right now. So right now I'm up on my way. I go check the boat. Whole heap of rainfall last night, you know. But you know, fall straight still it on and off, as said. So I go run at the beach, you know. I go look how the sea look, you know, because you know I really have to see how the wave heights them stay. Because I check them on this. You can check them too as well. And they tell us say, alright, put that there so that show saying I watch yours here at 10-foot waves, see them up at top here. 10 foot. You know, and that's a which part. So yeah, that's the wave heights. So place 20 foot like Morant Bay them place. St. Thomas and Portland. Them a get it wicked, you know. It just start brush them. You know? But go back and win. We can play it. Show what it I go do throughout the day. You can see that take time and move. You know, gone over on a Monday. Monday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number day. See the day them down the bottom. So that a Monday like in the afternoon Monday to the on Kingston. Then it a set Tuesday, you know, by Tuesday night it a go start cross the island. Heading back north. You know? Heading to north. See it? So definitely Tuesday it look like say it a go walk across the island. And from there it a go start pick up, it a go start move fast. Go across Cuba, go through the channel there. Go across Cuba. So Inagua, Hawklins, you know, even Turk and Caicos. Them place there look like them a go feel some of it. You know, Exuma in the Bahamas. So some of Bahamas Island them. But make we watch still as we say. This are just prediction. This are just prediction. But I dare say if you know. All our play this are just prediction. But most of the time that thing is right still, you know. This me use for weather. Sometime out of sea, all about out of sea. And it work good. So like we see, I go on the beach side, go see what I go on and know. Alright, up on the road it rain kinda start pick up back here now. You know, as me say, quiet still. You know, rain just fall, then it stop, no wind. Just go rain fall and it stop, and that we are feel right now. And I said today Saturday to be exact, 8:37. Yeah, and the rain just fall and I stop. Last night, fall hard, stop. But I know most places have whole heap of rain, I said, like Portland and St. Thomas, them two parish there. You know, Kingston. But the whole Jamaica go feel that thing, because you're a serious hurricane. As the people can sip on the thing that I show now a while ago, it's dangerous. You know, last year, the one that come last year, I see him where me chucky for a new thing at the Atlantic. Just I watch it come and it never develop like this. Yeah. Never. It never take up so much space on the map there, and you know, it never as powerful. See, this hurricane down there so hang up about 2 days now and it a got there so till we in a Tuesday, Wednesday before we lift up off of the island. So yeah. Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Original Living. And as me say, I go try to record some video and make you guys get some update about the weather here in Jamaica. And on my side, because I can't do all Jamaica, I only can do in this area. So I mean, I'm not go travel far, go down, I stay here so because safety reason. Yeah, man, so see how everything, man, we can show out a road still, you know. But nothing much not change yet and from the last video, man, because the whole place is the same. Nothing much really happen or watch yet. Nothing major not really, you know, in this area because the only thing you just get a little rain, you know. So yeah.
Sunday
up on the road,
so expect the town to look this way, you know.
Well locked down. Me I tell we not pick up here no bad. See a blow there. We never are the seaside, man. We're closer to the sea, you know. We look at the boat first, make sure say the hole not block up the drain hole them. Enough people are saying if we put water in the belch. For what? Fully belch of water that's in a blow. The boat they can't blow my people. Which part of they can't blow? They far from the sea, can't flood neither because which part of they I want hill area they pan. And at the second hurricane it go do this, so same place. So yeah man, I know say enough people, you know, I look out, but which part of they good man? Solid way there. Machine here so whole of the sea bike then come up here so best place is in a open here so you know tree can drop on them. Well yeah, having daisy chain them together they can't wash away. Alright. The water now come here so for wash away nothing still. Alright, see this here now whole heap of trash in here. Corner there. I see water on there, you know. I see water on there. And you know what happened there now? One of the hole them black up. That one here. So, see it? Trash black in there. So go on there, go creep out on there with my hand. And when the flooring black up, water go come over on the floor and run down in the belt and then black up the belt. Yeah. This you have to check, because leaf them are go down in there, you know. So when alright, this is all not black. You take off the chan juice here before the beam growth damaging. And we have this one here already. This one you can adjust, you know. And me go and see me just take out the pin, drop it down and so we make this one here. This one should have made that way, but both are staying in the water. We'll get a nice sun off when we're done. Yeah, look good. But the ice and the leaf them are black up. The eyes and glass on the top, I probably take them off, you know. But as I said, me not tap check. I come around and see me just take off the eyes and glass and the top off right. Now go on and eat this one now. Just see if I can take out some of the trash them out of the hole. The whole heap of trash are drop in here. Them here. Go down in there, go black up down in the belch. Not the belch, because sit down in the belch so the water down in there so good. The water never go down in there. So once I make 2 hole around good, the water never will catch in the belch. Alright. You're going to take time to come back little, you know. As I say, I saw it a fall for now, you know. Nah, fall hard for long. Just falling, stop. Or go down at the beach and up on the seat and the thing I tell me say a 10 foot wave where I get there, so I go sit down, I know a lie bad, you know. After the seat I tell me 5 foot and 4 foot and I go out there, little wave. People, yesterday when I come around here, never saw body look like we could have got see yesterday. Water girl up today. In here so still nobody still, you know. Yeah. Over here start get bad and see Porco Loco come up here. Right, there's a Porco Loco go ride you out, you know. Over there start tear down. Getting some closure shot over upon it. Look like it flat from here, so, but over there so a tear down. The harbour here is a real good harbour still, you know. Over there so, what I say? And 10 foot them they do, you know. 10 foot but no here so much way out of sea. Here so look like some 4 foot of them, you know. Although still you can't tell wave heights from land still, you know, you really have to be out there. And if a boat drive you can't really tell, because sometimes you don't see all the big old boat them out there. When you see them go down you barely all see top on some boat all 20 foot in the sky. So, out there tear down, man. I go on bad. Out there go on bad, me feel. In here so don't start getting a wicked lick yet. I say kind of calm shit. So the water run though. That within here so. Water just run a lot in here. So if you not tie up good in here so, problem. See you look flat but I tell you. Try zoom in from the camera you see the difference. Yeah, zoom in. Oh. I've heard this that. GoPro this still. Over there some bad. Up on the deep bad. The harbour water does a run as said, you know. Hope everything work out, you know. Porco Loco tie up good. Yeah. Yes, my people. So around here so not turn bad. See sun here. No, you know. Hopefully tomorrow, Monday tomorrow. I'll see it look tomorrow. I know we have to go and check every day. You know. People, this is a white river, you know. Let's go and check how the water look around here so. So the river. I see the river swell up. But you know start run hard yet neither. You can see swell up still, you know. The river don't really come down, you know. The river does swell. All this river is just swell up. You know? It don't really come down like wash or things. It just swell up. So what if I say you see man tie up them boat and left here and You can tell say I left that a boat I left. This was general last year and me and him use a record take up a boat. It look like this year him now using a record and just go and carry up in the river, you know? Yes. Yeah man. But everybody else you can see they are land. All of them are boat they are land, you know? Land. Thing they put on land put on. But when you read that body in the water come right over here saying because this river here swell come right over. So you see man, every man probably tie on the boat them, you know. So when the water come and take them up, they start float. Somebody chain down to the engine. What I look like? And a man of water. So what like dirt their land. What like dirt their land, my people. All of them are boat have a potential of flooding here so still because you so see the river once rain, the river are going up over here so. All fish pot, all boat their land. And this is one of the biggest fishing village in Awochi area, you know? White River. Every boat out of the water. Yeah. Go down on the seaside still. Go down on the seaside, you know. Make you people see what is going on the sea. Whole heap of boats. All of them are boat here. Get pick up out of the water. No man now run no risk. Yeah. River here. A man down there so nasty man. And the river more nasty. River here start swell up already as said. I go down and go look, you know. Yeah, and this is the sanctuary area too. Never show that thing yet. But people can have an idea which part White River Fish Sanctuary is. So you look on the marking on the map, you know, and have an idea. So if you is a diver and you're not from the area and you want to dive in a Wochi area, in a St. Mary Wochi area, because a sanctuary there, the part in a St. Mary, part in a Wochi, in a St. Anne. So that we give you an idea where you can't, which part you should not dive, you know? Yeah, we'll see what the sea look like from a real fire point. See what I say now, you know? You can see real rough. One thing I noticed is that camera and you show everything, make everything look like it's perfect. And I look on the screen and now the screen I show a flat looking sea and the sea don't look nothing like that. As some we ever tear them over there so right. Go all out there so. You even look like I'll be a 5 foot out there now. Be a 5 foot. Some place the water shove up. Water go run up on hotel property same way, you know. As I say my people, we don't start getting nothing yet here so. We don't start getting nothing at all here so. We don't start getting up on the easy now. You see over there up on the wall side, the rock side, the water, the lake. Yeah man.
tomorrow. We'll try come out again tomorrow and do our next recording, you know. So hopefully we can get video tomorrow. If it's not bad enough for me can come out. And maybe it will get bad when we can't really venture out. Breeze. So I expect some high wind, you know. White River, all of the raft them, you know. Look like I see where them are gonna left them still. So I'm gonna wrap up the video, so, you know. Just come out on the road and the weather you can see what take place. Not much now go on, whole heap of people is on the road same way. You know, as I said, I just little rain now and then little breeze blow and stop, as the people can see. You see come up and a blow wicked. You see I go on bad, but I know the roughest that yet. They say the weather not reach to we so the right way yet. Portland and St. Thomas I feel it more now. They go in from Kingston side, St. Andrew side, because over there side. Yeah, so we are wait it. We are wait the bad weather, you know. So as said earlier on, if you come across this channel for the first time, my people, and you love fishing, yeah man, all different kind of fishing, line, anything at all. We love these type of nature videos, you know, original video, no AI. Yeah, this is a great platform to subscribe to, alright? So please me ask you, touch the button and notification bell as well so you get notified anytime we upload a video. And yeah, leave a like on the video. Comment section, is there anything to say, any question to ask? Yes man. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow when the weather come on way more, because me will come out of my house and check the boat, so we can record something else with people we see, alright? So stay tuned and go and relax, and if you're in Jamaica you wanna watch, just stay safe, you know, secure yourself, get everything together and sit in, you know. Yes man. And yeah, we do see you people. Thanks for watching, and we do see you people in the next video.